Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making a video on how to set up an umbrella rig. All right fam, so as you can see here, this is the 5-wire, 4 blades. There's 4 blades in the center and there's 5 wires here to add on your jig heads and your swim baits. And as you can see, it has that swivel in the head. They also have some swivels here on the end as well for the swim baits. So yeah, let's get this out the package. Here are the Swing Impact Kitex. They're the fat Kitex. I like throwing these bad boys. I've caught tons of fish. You guys could check out my channel and you'll see that I really do get them on these Kitex. These are the 1/8 ounce swim bait jigs by VMC. And I also have the Owner CPS centering pin springs right here for basically the swim baits that I won't be using the jig heads on. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna pull this out of the package. Awesome, there we go. So when you do pull this out, you're going to need to bend the wires out. They're gonna come like this, just basically stuck together because they're in the package. So you're gonna need to bend these out. There we go, as you can see there, I'm leaving the middle just straight there, and the bottom, the top, and the 2 sides I'm bending out. Yeah, so that's pretty much the umbrella rig out of the pack. Now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take 2 of these centering pins here. These are the mediums. They have large, they have small. These are perfect for what I'm doing. So you guys can go ahead and gauge. If you have a smaller, like a 3-wire, you may need smaller size centering pins. So just keep an eye out for that. And yeah, these bad boys always come in handy. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is the top, I'm gonna be using the middle here and the 2 sides here as my actual jig heads. And the top and the bottom here, these are gonna be my centering pins. So what you do with the centering pin is you're gonna twist it on, right? Bam, and there you go. That one's ready to go. And as well as the top, I'm gonna do the same. There you go. And now both of your centering pins are inside of your clamps there. And then what you wanna do is you can go ahead and get a Kitech out. And what you wanna do is just push that centering pin right in the middle there of that Kitech. And just twist it on. All right, we're gonna twist that Kitech all the way on there, and that is your dummy. That one is just gonna be your dummy Kitech there. So you're also gonna do the top. Try to make sure it's nice and center in the bait, so that way you don't have twisting or like a weird swim on it. So there you go, there's the 2 dummies attached on there. Unless you stay in a place where you don't have to fish with only 3. Here in California, it's illegal to fish with more than 3 hooks per rig. So I have here the jig heads. We're gonna go ahead and rig these on. I'm sure you guys know how to do these already on the Kitex. If you don't, basically want to set it up to your swim bait here, count the ribs on where that hook's gonna come out, and you're good to go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set these other 2 up. Once you have that all done, you're gonna go ahead and snap these into the clamps here. And there you go, there's the A-rig fully assembled. You can always bend these out or bend them in to your liking. Once you get them in the water, see how uniform they swim. They should swim really well. They have these swivels so they spin, and they should spin upright and sit really well in the water. So all I suggest is that you fish with a little bit of heavier line. I'm fishing with 20-pound line for this A-rig itself, but you can always downsize to about 15-pound I like to fish fluorocarbon to get it a little deeper in the water column, but you do want to be careful swimming this at the bottom because you will snag this up, whether it be on a ladder, on a rock, something in the bottom of the aqueduct. If you're fishing in lakes, there is logs and stuff like that, so that you do want to be careful for. So just watch where you're throwing it. If you are throwing it from a boat, then you shouldn't have too much of a problem. But yeah, that's pretty much how I assemble my A-rigs. And yeah, we'll get on the water with this and we'll see how it does. I will be chucking this around, whether it be in the aqueduct, lakes, from the boat. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I will definitely be trying to get you guys a cast to catch with this bad boy. I have lost a ton of those. I want to say, if you guys do decide to fish the umbrella rig, you know, don't get too attached to it. It is going to cost some money. I believe this rig here costed me around $35–40, but you do risk losing it. There is times where you will snag it. I have snagged it before. I want to say I've lost about 3, maybe 4 A-rigs already in the past, and yeah, it's just a part of the game. That's what it is, and I'll definitely still be giving it a try. Right now in these fall winter months, it's perfect for the A-rig, so stay tuned for that, guys. Oh, I'm on. Yep, I got one. Yeah, I got him, dude. On the
A-rig. Nice. Sheep's head.
no, it's a spotty. Spotting tin on the A-rigging tin.
Yeah, I'll hold the rig while you get the fish. I don't want to touch that.
I'm definitely on.
Get him up. Oh yeah, yeah.
I was about to say to you, Mom, what is this?
It's a spotty.
Spotty, bro. First
Spotting
fish,
tin.
my first.
Did you get him on a
fish.
spinnerbait?
No, I'll show you what I got him on a weird jerk bait.
Okay. Grab his lip.
Alright,
Grab
fam.
his lip.
Alright, fam. Come
Yeah, just lip him like a bastard. Go not do that. You need pliers? Decapitate.
Kind of a dick for that, but
That's
pliers.
right, boy. That boy fur
I want
on
that.
him.
I want that big one. Take a bite of you.
Chuck cut back up in there.
Yeah.
I need to put a new battery in my GoPro. It's about to die. Oop, I'm on.
There you go.
Yep.
Oh, this a hot spot.
Yep, I'm on him. I got him, boy. I'm reeling that boy in, guy. Get over here, guy. Oh, he's big, dog. Yeah, he's big.
Oh, don't make me jealous, dog.
You feel see that shit? Look at my rod just tugging. Come on, don't get off. Don't get off. Don't get off. Please don't get off.
Oh my god.
Oh, he got onto a rock. I got him. Ooh. You're on? Oh, look at him, bro. Look at him. Bro, this boy is huge. Boy, this boy is huge.
Bro, you don't have to flex on me like that.
$14 incher. My boy James caught the scorpion fish.
That's the same one, just bigger.
Scorpion fish, boy. Sheesh. All right, fam, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. Peace.